Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today, I would like to give you some important informations. Our summer holidays are going to be started from 16th May. So, I'm going to give you some summer holiday homework. Homeworks are important so that we can be in touch with our studies. So the first one is in English text. I'll explain you first. Learn and write the poem Mother to Son. Also draw a picture. The first poem is Mother to Son. You have to learn at least 8 to 10 lines, but the whole poem you will be writing. Clear? And you have to draw the related picture also. And whatever writing work I am giving you, you have to do in your rough copy. You will make very thin, like test copy. Clear? One separate copy for homework you will be making. Don't do anything on A4 size papers or something. Make very thin test copy, like test copy, okay? For doing your homeworks. Second one is the composition, which is given on page number 30. It is from lesson number 2, Home Sweet Home. Though this chapter is not yet taught to you, but in coming week I'll be explaining you that chapter and complete that. So what you have to do is write a letter to a friend. Tell your friend about your home and why you like or dislike it. Clear? You have to write a letter to your friend telling about your home. Before you end the letter, explain to your friend how you would make it a better place. Clear? This also you will be doing in the same copy. One separate copy, thin test copy you will make for doing your homeworks. Don't do anything on piece of papers. Third one is write the summary of the chapter Nicobobinus. The chapter Nicobobinus I have explained you. Write its story in short. Clear? The fourth one is learn all the question answers, word meanings and book exercises of the poem and lesson 1, 2. Clear? The chapter Nicobobinus and Home Sweet Home, which I will be covering up in the next week. You have to learn all the exercises, question answers and word meanings of all these 3 chapters. Clear? And the last one is do 1 page handwriting every day. For handwriting you will be making separate copy. Date wise you will write from 16th May. You will start writing every day. You will be writing 1 page handwriting. Clear? So it's very important to improve your handwriting. You have to do it. Question number 1, 2 and 3 you will be doing in one thin copy, test copy. Clear? Don't make very copy with more pages. That will be useless afterwards. Okay? So question 1, 2 and 3 you will be doing in that copy, and for question number 5 doing your handwriting you will be making one separate copy. Now note down the homework of your English grammar. In this, the first one is learn and write the following definitions in your rough copy. Dear children, you will make 1 copy only for doing your English text and English grammar, both the homeworks. Clear? Don't make separate copy. In 1 copy, you have to do English 1 and English 2 both. Clear? And the question is you have to learn also. Simply writing is not enough. You have to learn also and then write all these given definitions with examples. Clear? Here the space was less, so it is little congested. I will type and send you that whatever you have to do. The definition of noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, singular nouns and plural nouns. Clear? All these definitions you are supposed to learn and write in your copy. Next is learn all the exercises of lesson 1 and 2. All the book exercises which are given, you have to learn all these. Whatever diagrams are given in your book, those diagrams you have learned. In lesson 2, so many tables are given, the singular and plural forms of nouns. You have to learn that also, and all the exercises. And the next is comprehension. Dear children, the comprehensions are given in your book on page number 200. Page number 200. Clear? Here you can see the comprehension. Comprehension means the passage is given to you. You have to read the passage, you have to understand it, and then on the basis of passage, whatever questions are given, you have to solve them from the passage itself. All the answers you will get in the passage only. Clear? So, the comprehension 1, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and the second comprehension, which is given on page number 202, both you have to solve. Clear? Comprehension solve 1 and 2. So this is your holiday homework in English text and English grammar both. Once again I am repeating. In English text, exercise 1, homework number 1, 2 and 3 you have to do in that copy, rough copy. And from the grammar, question number 1 you have to do in the same copy. And for handwriting you will be making one separate copy. And dear children, when the situations will be normal, you will be asked to send those copies to school for correction. We'll check those copies. Clear? So do your homeworks very honestly, sincerely. And dear children, during holidays, all of you stay at home, be healthy and be safe. Thank you.